Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to link Docker connection with microservice. Previous video we run about that currency exchange and currency service. Okay, and there is a small modification. And the previous I have used for snapshot. Correct. To do that, you can use for release to connection. Okay, and that snapshot is having some issues. Okay, and we can able to use for this particular release one. Okay, it will help you, and even you can remove this mmv3 also. Sorry, ah this is a perfect service, we can use it. Currency exchange colon 0.0.1 release, this is the one. And currency conversion 0.0.1 is the another version. Okay, these are the two services you can replace. Okay, the same one yesterday I last video session I have used for this particular MV3 like that. That one I used with the snapshot release, but you can able to use for this release to linking purpose because the ad services having small issues. Okay. Now I'm going to use for this particular command. Now opening here CMD. Okay, and maximizing this service. Okay, and I'm running again. Okay. Now here we are using for container running -p 8000 and the name is currency exchange, and we are running for this particular currency exchange Docker. Okay, now okay, it is already exist. Okay, Docker container remove. What is that? D8 it is presented. Now I'm removing. Now again one more time. Now I'm able to run now. Yeah, currency exchange is almost all up and running. We can go ahead here and take the Redmi currency exchange URL. Okay, this I'm going to take and going to here. I'm hitting here. Okay, still not up. Okay, started. Yeah, now you can see it is started. Okay, now this currency exchange we are able to do it, and now I need to go for currency conversion purpose. I have already written here what are the things I have done here. Up to here you know already. Okay, and this is the environment setup, and this is my currency exchange tag name, and this is my URL. Why the URL is required here? The URL because we are heated for the currency exchange. This is the name of the currency exchange. Okay, and this particular currency exchange we need to link, where we need to link currency conversion. Okay, without currency conversion we can't able to, because currency exchange is different URL and currency conversion is different URL. Both the URLs are different. We need to link together, then only we can able to do. For that, this link hyphen link help you to link that particular currency exchange, which is the URL we are running currency conversion. For the link we are going to do for by using this. What type of link we need to do? The tag as currency exchange service host, which is currency exchange, which is the URL is going to launch for currency exchange. That particular URL you have to link to this particular currency conversion. Then only it will use. Okay, and we can able to use the name of this hyphen name equal to currency conversion. Okay, this is my name of the currency conversion, and this is my port 8100 my port is, and this is my currency conversion 0.0.1 hyphen release. Okay, and these particular services will link together. Okay, then only it will work out. Okay, now I'm copying this particular one and opening for another CMD and maximizing this particular window and pasting. Now you can see docker run -p 8000 environment, and this is my tag. This which is like a currency exchange service host, which is a host. This is the currency exchange host, where we are going to link this currency exchange, and we are going to linking for the currency conversion. Okay, now I'm going to hit now this one. Okay, it is already presented. Docker container remove. We can B222 544. Now it is removed. Now again I'm going to run for this exchange now. Now we can take for the URL of the conversions. This is a currency conversion URL. I'm going to take here and again I'm going to hit here. Now you can see now we are able to open this, how it works, because we have run two currencies, right? Now I'm going to open another command prompt. Now you can see here what I'm going to use for Docker network list ls. Okay, once I hit, you can see there are the some bridges are there. Okay, the bridge is basically to connecting for anything which are all bridges are by default our local host it will be taken, and we are going to take the bridges, and based upon the bridges it will connect what all the bridges are available right now in our system. For this again I'm going to use this one, network inspect bridge. Okay, if I hit the bridge, you can able to see there are two bridges are present. One is currency conversion and another one is currency exchange. These are the two things are presented. Okay, and based upon these conversions only it will work. Okay, and these conversions only we are used from here, the naming conventions. This is a currency exchange and this is the currency conversion name. Okay, by the names we are going to, these are the two bridges. Okay, the two bridges we are we are uh, created as a bridge. What the bridge it can do, this is the exchange service host is the tag is the right environment, and this particular URL it will create as a bridge. Okay, then it will gives you to that particular one as a what you can able to say establish the connection to that particular two URLs. Okay, like this it will work for these connections, and you don't worry about that real time also. If there is any between two applications having the relationship, we need to create like this bridges, then only we can able to communicate those things for the live applications. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll connect with another session. Thank you.